Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. In this video, we review the 25 smart kitchen gadgets that save time, space, effort. If you love Amazon product reviews, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more weekly gadget reviews. We only bring you the best Amazon finds that are worth your money. So let's start. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the Keystone 4-slice digital smart toaster. Featuring a sleek stainless steel design, it comes with a touchscreen and dual control panels for precise toasting. The single-slot option, timer, reheat, and defrost functions make it perfect for bagels, bread, and waffles. Quick, convenient, and stylish, this smart toaster delivers perfectly golden results every time, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. Grind spices and nuts with ease using the Cuisinart SG-10 electric grinder. Its compact mini design fits perfectly on any countertop, while sharp stainless steel blades deliver fast, consistent results. Simple one-touch operation makes grinding quick and effortless. Finished in sleek stainless and black, it's a convenient tool for fresh flavor in every meal. Make dishwashing easier with this soap dispensing dish brush. The built-in soap reservoir releases detergent with a simple press, giving you powerful cleaning for dishes, pots, pans, and sinks. Its comfortable handle and sturdy bristles tackle grease without scratching. Practical and efficient, it's a must-have tool for faster, cleaner kitchen cleanup. Enjoy fresh, fizzy drinks anytime with the SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker Value Bundle. Powered by the reliable CQC CO2 system, it includes 2 CO2 cylinders for long-lasting bubbles. You also get 3 32-ounce dishwasher-safe bottles and 2 bubbly flavor drops for easy customization. Combine with Pepsi flavors to create your favorite sparkling drinks at home, convenient, refreshing, and fun for everyday use. Stay on time with this magnetic kitchen timer designed for cooking, baking, and more. It features a loud alarm you won't miss and a large LED display that's easy to read for seniors and kids. The rotating countdown dial and preset 5, 15, and 25-minute options make timing simple and fast. With a strong magnetic back, it sticks easily to any metal surface, perfect for grilling, studying, or everyday kitchen use. Make food prep faster and easier with the Supmakin Fresh Meat Slicer. This 17-in-1 stainless steel manual meat cutter lets you slice chicken, beef, or pork evenly with adjustable thickness options of 2 or 4 millimeters. Built for precision and durability, it includes a sharp cleaver kitchen knife for clean, effortless cuts. Perfect for jerky making or everyday cooking, it delivers consistent results while saving time in any kitchen. Keep your microwave clean with the Tavolo Medium Microwave Splatter Cover. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant silicone, it features vented holes to release steam and prevent soggy food. The collapsible design saves storage space, while the built-in handle makes lifting easy and safe. Perfect for meal prep and everyday reheating, this splatter guard protects your microwave and your food at the same time. Bring the fun home with the Ninja FS301 Professional Maker featuring rapid chill technology. This powerful drink and slushy machine quickly turns ice into smooth frozen drinks with ease. The large 88-ounce capacity is perfect for parties, while 5 preset programs create frozen margaritas, fraps, and more at the touch of a button. Finished with premium accents, it's a stylish and powerful way to enjoy cafe-style frozen drinks anytime. Cook perfect rice every time with the Cuisinart 8-cup rice cooker CRC 800 NAS. Designed for convenience, it automatically cooks and switches to warm, so your rice is always ready to serve. The sleek silver finish looks great in any kitchen, while the non-stick inner pot makes cleanup easy. Ideal for families, meal prep, and everyday cooking, this rice cooker delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Bring a galaxy far away into your kitchen with the Uncanny brand Star Wars R2-D2 popcorn maker. Fully operational, This droid-shaped appliance pops fresh popcorn quickly and safely, making snack time fun for fans of all ages. Its detailed design captures our 2D2's iconic look, while the compact size fits easily on your countertop. Perfect for movie nights, parties, or as a collectible kitchen gadget, it's a must-have for Star Wars enthusiasts. Brew the perfect amount of coffee with the Mr. Coffee 5-cup mini brew switch coffee maker. Its compact design is ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or offices. The simple on-off switch makes brewing quick and easy, while the glass carafe delivers up to 5 cups of rich, hot coffee. Finished in classic black, this coffee maker is reliable, space-saving, and perfect for everyday use. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the El Fico hanging trash can with lid. This 2.5-gallon compact bin is perfect for undersink, cupboard, or countertop use. Wall-mounted or freestanding, it saves space while the secure lid locks in odors. Durable, modern, and convenient, it's an ideal solution for everyday kitchen waste and compost. Create delicious frozen treats at home with the Ninja NC3, a 1CRME ice cream maker. It makes ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, and smoothie bowls with ease using 7 one-touch programs. The compact design fits perfectly in any kitchen and is simple enough for kids to use. With 2-pint containers and lids included, you can make, store, and enjoy your favorite flavors anytime. Make cleaning faster and easier with the Delta Faucet glass rinser for kitchen sinks. Designed for bars and kitchens, it quickly rinses glasses, bottles, and cups with powerful water jets. The Spot Shield stainless finish resists fingerprints and water spots, keeping it looking clean and modern. A sleek, space-saving accessory that adds convenience and style to any sink. Make healthy snacks at home with this powerful food dehydrator for jerky, fruits, and more. It features precise temperature control up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, letting you dry meat, veggies, and dog treats safely and evenly. With 5 durable stainless steel trays for easy presets and a 48-hour timer, drying is simple and hands-free. Perfect for homemade snacks, this dehydrator also includes a helpful recipe book to get you started right away. Measure with confidence using the Atexity Digital Kitchen Scale, perfect for weight loss, baking, and everyday cooking. It provides accurate readings in grams and ounces, making keto and meal prep simple and precise. The clear LCD display is easy to read, while the durable 304 stainless steel surface is sleek and easy to clean. Compact and reliable, this scale is a must-have for a healthier, more organized kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ninja DCT45112 in one smart double oven, designed for maximum versatility and convenience. The innovative Flex Door lets you access the top or full oven easily, while Smart Finish and a built-in thermometer ensure perfect results every time. Enjoy rapid top convection and powerful air frying on the bottom for crispy, flavorful meals. With Flavor Seal technology and a sleek stainless steel design, this oven delivers professional cooking at home. Enjoy fresh coffee every day with the Black Plus Decker one-touch coffee grinder. Featuring powerful stainless steel blades and a 150-watt motor, it quickly grinds coffee beans, spices, and herbs. The one-touch push-button control makes operation simple, while the 2/3 cup capacity is perfect for daily brewing. Compact, efficient, and easy to clean, this grinder is a must-have for any coffee lover's kitchen. Bring people together with the Cassini electric fondue pot set, the perfect way to turn any night into something special. This chocolate fondue kit features easy temperature control for smooth, melted chocolate every time. Detachable serving trays keep fruits, treats, and snacks organized, while 4 roasting forks make sharing simple and fun. Ideal as a gift set or date night idea, it's perfect for movie nights, game nights, or any time you want to serve smiles. Keep your kitchen sink clean and dry with this 24-inch longer faucet mat. Designed with a 5-degree slope, it allows fast self-draining so water flows directly back into the sink. Made from high-quality silicone, this splash guard prevents water stains, mold, and mess around your faucet. Easy to install, flexible, and durable, it keeps your kitchen sink area tidy and organized every day. Create a stunning dessert display with this 10 PCS cupcake stand holder set, designed to elevate any celebration. Featuring elegant 3-tier serving trays, it's perfect for showcasing cupcakes, cakes, candies, and sweet treats. Ideal for tea parties, weddings, baby showers, and bridal showers, this dessert table display adds style and organization to your event. Easy to arrange and visually impressive, it turns any treat table into a beautiful centerpiece. Transform your cooking with the Chef Robot's Smart Food Processor Ultra Cook, an all-in-one automatic cooking machine designed to save time and effort. With a 3.5-liter capacity, built-in scale, and a bright 7-inch TFT screen, it guides you step by step through over 600 online recipes. This multifunctional appliance chops, cooks, steams, and more, all with precision. Plus, the self-cleaning function makes cleanup quick and easy, perfect for modern kitchens. Make fresh prep quick and easy with the Cuisinart 3-quart salad spinner. Designed to wash, spin, and dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables in one simple tool, it removes excess water fast for crisp results. The smooth spinning action is easy to use and perfect for everyday meals. Compact yet efficient, it's a must-have kitchen essential for healthier, fresher cooking. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-in-1 colander with bowl set. Perfect for washing rice, pasta, fruits, and vegetables, it works as a strainer, cleaner, and serving bowl in one. Stylish, durable, and easy to use, it's an aesthetic cooking essential and a thoughtful gift for any modern kitchen. Enjoy fast and flavorful coffee with the Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker. Featuring a strong brew option, it delivers bold taste in every cup. The large 42-ounce removable water reservoir lets you brew multiple cups without constant refilling, perfect for holiday hosting. With its sleek, compact design, this coffee maker fits any kitchen and makes a great gift for coffee lovers.